Hello. A while back I did a video asking the question, do I still hate tomato soup? And the answer at the time was, eh. So today we're going to find out when I make my own, right here. Now what we're going to do is right now I've got about a tablespoon or so of butter melting in the pot. And I've got this pepper and onion blend that I found at Walmart. So I'm going to dump some of this in here just for seasoning. There we go. And then we're going to let that cook up a little bit. Okay, we're back. We've got our seasoning mix simmered. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open a can of tomatoes. What I've got here is SanMarzano tomatoes. I've heard SanMarzano style tomatoes, which are whole peeled tomatoes. I couldn't afford the real SanMarzanos. They were like $14 a freaking can. These are like $5 for tomatoes. Anyway, let's try them. The only advantage I see right now is I don't have to use the can opener. But it's going to splatter me. I know it is. It is. It's fine. I'm not going to let it splatter me. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's got like tomato sauce in there. Okay. We're going to let that simmer together for a while. And then we'll be back. Y'all hang in there. All right. We've been bubbling for a while. So let me try. I know I'm going to need this. This is salt. But let me take a little taste here. Yep. Need a little salt. And I like a little sweetness in mine. So this is what I had left of a jar of honey that I put in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's nice and liquid now. I'm going to pour this in. And we'll stir that around. Grab another spoon here and try again. Bingo. So, turn it off. Gonna come over here and grab my blender. You remember my Forever blender. Because it costs so much, I'm not gonna buy another one. Put this back over here real quick. There we go. Put the lid on. And I like to, since it's hot, I like to use this instead of putting the cap on it because it can blow that cap off. Put that on. Ew. Just imagine if I had the lid on there, it would have blown that off. Add that back to the pot. Turn the heat back up. Add a little whipping cream to it for richness. that cook for a little bit. And the soup will be ready. So y'all hang in there while we let it go just a little bit more. All right, we're gonna turn it off. Give it a little stir. And give it a try. I think I'm gonna put it in a cup. I think I'll put it in a Christmas cup. All right. Here we go. Whole lot better than that canned stuff, I'm gonna tell you. A whole lot better. So, this has been homemade tomato soup. And you've been watching That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click on my little face over here. And we'll see you next time. Bye.